Hi everybody, Tim Barry with LearnToLowerYourTaxes.com. Today what I'd like to talk about is something I call the Procrastinator Special. And what this is a trust that you can establish, the very last day of the year, it could be 12/31 of the given year, you can establish this trust, you can move assets into this trust, and the IRS is going to give you an immediate tax deduction for that year for the value of the assets you place into the trust. And this is just incredible. Let's say you needed a quick $300,000 tax deduction. This is a great way on December 31st of that year, you could get that $300,000 tax deduction. And let me go into a little bit more detail about this. The fancy name for this thing is called a Charitable Lead Trust. A Charitable Lead Trust. And under the terms of a Charitable Lead Trust, you set up the trust, you control the trust assets, you invest the trust assets, you're the trustee, so you don't have to worry about giving up control. So you set up this trust, and then you promise to make payments to your favorite charity or charities for the next 30 years. So, and by the way, quick point, the payments don't have to be equal. So in one we did just last year, I think they got a tax deduction for about $300,000, and in year one, they only had to pay out $688 to their favorite charity. Year two, I think they paid out, $710 to their favorite charity. Year three is probably about $900. So the payments are going to increase, and at the end of the 30-year time period, it's going to be a whopper. But here's the cool thing. The IRS is going to look at those payments, and using the current interest rates at the time that you set up the trust, the IRS is going to say, how much would we have to invest today in order to make those payments? And they're going to give you an immediate tax deduction. Now the cool thing is the IRS, the interest rate they use is very, very low. So that means that they think your tax deduction is going to be very, very high. And I don't want to get bogged down on the details too much, but I want to make you aware that if you waited too long, if you didn't do proper tax planning, we have a solution for you. By all means, if you have questions about this and how it can benefit you and your family and your favorite charities, give us a call or send us an email. Thank you very much.